The complexity of the agriculture sector in Pakistan is known by those who work in this domain. From farmers, aggregators, input providers, mechanization, post-production companies, everyone has different dynamics. We understand the dynamics working in this sector. To streamline internal process, data integrity, and provide a holistic picture to stakeholders, Concave AGRI has launched Aster, a content management system. Aster is a highly secure platform for storing and managing information with an architectural system deployed on cloud infrastructure. Aster has multiple roles for operation managers, cluster managers, field advisors, data entry operators, and much more. Each role is focused on ensuring data capture is accurate and how to identify trends for insightful information. Concave AGRI is transforming Pakistan's agriculture landscape with its holistic services and solutions. For more information, go to www.concaveagri.com or call us at +92 51 706 2474.